welcome to day 5 of the Eat Your Chakra challenge. Today we're talking about the throat chakra, which is represented by the aqua color of blue. And as we know, there aren't a lot of natural foods that are blue in fruits and vegetables, but we do have the body of water, right? So this is a great chakra related to all the fish and crustaceans that we can get in the ocean, as well as some hydrating waters and beverages that we can use, such as coconut milk as well as coconut water, which is really going to support you in speaking up and through with your throat, with your voice. And so another great all-natural fruit that we can use is blackberries or blueberries. I usually put some of these in my smoothies in the morning, and it really helps us to realize that we can be authentic and express ourselves in the way in which that feels the most aligned with us. And so some more little know-how about the throat chakra is that, the throat chakra actually is not good with dairy, as we know that dairy actually can congest us and clog us in our nostrils. We know that we cannot use dairy if we want to speak authentically. So if you have a public speaking something coming up or an interview, don't use dairy. You definitely want to stay from anything that is white or that's going to give you that milky mucus feeling. And so that's a great note that you should take. And then some other good things about the throat chakra is that it's all about communication. And so if you're speaking through your authentic voice, if you're able to really say what you want to say and not have to wait for permission or ask for advice. And so I hope this has been insightful for you, learning some of the fun things that we can use that are blue and natural in the kitchen. Stay tuned for day 6 leading up for tomorrow with the third eye chakra. Till then, shine on.